The all-new Škoda Elroq is being manufactured at the Czech carmaker's main plant in Mlada Boleslav, the only Volkswagen Group facility in Europe where the IC Octavia MQB platform and the recently updated all-electric Enyaq MEB platform are produced side by side. This strategic decision allows the plant to rapidly adapt to shifts in consumer demand. To free up production capacity, Octavia production was partially relocated to the Kvašany plant in 2024, allowing space in Mlada Boleslav to manufacture up to 600 Elroq vehicles daily. The Mlada Boleslav plant also produces battery systems for these MEB vehicles. In addition to the new Elroq and updated Enyaq, the traction batteries are used in the electric models of other Volkswagen Group brands. In December 2024, the plant reached the milestone of 1 million battery systems produced. The Škoda Elroq is the brand's first fully electric model in the popular compact SUV segment and Škoda's first production model to adopt the new modern solid design language. With a competitive starting price of around €33,000, before any state subsidies, in select European markets, it is one of the most affordable vehicles in its class when factoring in its battery capacity and extensive standard equipment. By achieving list price parity with its IC counterpart in many markets, Škoda Auto furthers its commitment to offering customers the freedom of choice and the best of both powertrain worlds. The Elroq is available with 3 battery sizes and multiple power configurations, delivering system outputs ranging from 125 kilowatts to 210 kilowatts and offering up to 82 kilowatt-hours, 77 kilowatt-hours usable, of battery capacity. The Elroq 85 model achieves a maximum range of up to 581 kilometers, WLTP, and can charge from 10% to 80% in just 25 to 28 minutes, depending on the battery option. Demand for the all-new Škoda Elroq has been strong, with over 20,000 orders already received by the end of 2024. The new Elroq, Škoda's anticipated all-electric compact SUV, will start from just £31,500. Customers will be able to choose from 4 familiar trim grades, SE, SEL, Edition and Sportline, all of which enjoy generous standard specifications. Elroq SE, from £31,500. SE50 is fitted with a 55 kilowatt-hours, 52 kilowatt-hour net battery, and is capable of more than 230 miles of WLTP range. The entry point to the new Elroq range comes with an exceptionally high level of standard equipment. Among the many highlights are 19-inch ProTus silver alloy wheels, LED headlights and LED rear lights. Inside, the SE features Škoda's striking loft design selection that comes with fabric and artificial leather upholstery, gray headlining and a 2-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel. Drivers benefit from a large 13-inch touchscreen display, digital cockpit and ambient lighting as standard. The SE also offers a generous quota of convenience and safety systems as standard, including a rear-view camera with rear parking sensors, traffic sign recognition and blind spot detection. Elroq SEL, from £33,350. SEL 60 models come with a larger 63 kilowatt-hours, 59 kilowatt-hour net battery as standard. It also offers drivers more equipment, including a 2-spoke leather heated multifunction steering wheel, heated front seats, satellite navigation. Customers opting for the SEL also benefit from dual-zone climate control, drive mode select, front parking sensors and preparation for a tow bar. As with the SE model, the SEL also comes with a 6-meter, 32A Type 2 charging cable as standard, along with rapid charging capability of up to 145 kilowatts when connected to a suitable DC rapid charger. Elroq Edition, from £34,450. The Elroq Edition model comes with 2 battery options, 60 and 85, a 63 kilowatt-hours, 59 kilowatt-hour net pack and a larger 82 kilowatt-hours, 77 kilowatt-hour net pack that can deliver up to 360 miles on the WLTP cycle. Edition models build on the specification of the SEL and add 19-inch Regulus anthracite alloy wheels, unique dark chrome roof rails and window surround and privacy glass with acoustic side windows. Edition customers also benefit from Travel Assist Plus, predictive adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist, keyless entry, and wireless charging 15W with cooling function. Elroq 85 models, which come with a larger 82 kWh, 77 kWh net battery, can also take advantage of 175 kW DC rapid charging capability. Elroq line, from £37,400. The flagship model of the Elroq range, Sport line, comes with two battery options 60 and 85, a 63 kWh, 59 kWh net, or 82 kWh, 77 kWh net battery pack. Sportline models are distinguished by 20-inch Asterion black alloy wheels, matrix LED headlights, unique Sportline bumpers and gloss black roof rails, door mirrors and tailgate lettering. Inside, Sportline models come with a bespoke design selection that features micro-suede and artificial leather upholstery, carbon effect decorative inserts, front sport seats and a black headlining. A 3-spoke leather heated sports multifunction steering wheel with paddles for recuperation level selection is also fitted as standard. Reflecting its sporting nature, the Elroq Sportline 85 battery comes with progressive dynamic steering as standard. The 85 battery offers the addition of sport suspension as standard, while an electrically operated tailgate with kick activation and rear side airbags complete the specification. To allow owners to perfectly tailor the new Elroq to their specific requirements, Škoda offers a broad range of options. These include 5 different alloy wheels, 2 interior design selections and standalone equipment such as a heat pump, dynamic chassis control and an electrically retractable tow bar. Customers can also choose from a range of option packs that bundle a selection of commonly chosen features into a single item. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.